The holidays are here and it's time to cozy up and celebrate. Today I'm excited to share with you a warm and cozy collection from Lemax. Those of you that have been watching me know that I love Lemax Collection, and it's a tradition that I started with my family a few years ago. The Lemax company has been around since 1990 and is a family-run company that puts a lot of love and thought into creating each one of their pieces and helping start traditions and memories for families like mine. So today, we're having a log cabin Christmas. We've got some really fun mountain-inspired pieces that are gonna make you wanna cozy up and enjoy a warm winter. I'm gonna show you 3 different easy DIY setups that you can do at home in just minutes, and hopefully you'll be able to start a tradition with your family. We're gonna get it started behind me at the fireplace. We're creating a little winter retreat here at the end of our mantle. We've got the Eagle Ridge Ski Lodge, which is lighted and fun and warm. We raised it up on 2 pieces of styrofoam and shaved the edges a little bit and added in some faux snow to give it a nice level. And then of course, we've got to get to our retreat. So we've got our family vacation set up here. The whole family is packed and ready to go. I love all the detail. And then when you get there, sled-only parking, and having some trees is one of my favorite fillers. And then to finish off, we're just gonna add in a little bit more snow. Faux snow just adds the magic. All right, moving on down our fireplace, let's take a look at For the Love of Chocolate Shop. For the Love of Chocolate Shop is so fun, and of course, I know that there's gotta be the best chocolates in there. We created a whole little street scene outside of this lighted house, including Frosty, who's ready for some fun, and even our little light up lanterns. Not only does Lemax offer houses and accessories, but there's also really fun pieces like this mountain. And it's made of a material that you can actually punch in the trees to create your own winter wonderland. And then of course, we've got a wintry snow playground around it with some family adventures. And finishing off the end of our mantle, we've got our little cabin, which reminds me of such a cute tiny house. It lights up, and of course, like all the other light up houses, there's an on and off switch. So turn it on during the day or night, and when you go to bed, you can turn it off. And we created a really fun little family setting outside. I don't know about you, but this fireplace just makes me feel like I'm ready for the holidays. Creating cozy spots throughout my house is my absolute fave. Whether you're decorating a nightstand or even a sofa table or a side table, you can create the perfect holiday touch. So next to my comfy little chair here, I've got a great setup, and I'm excited to show you the smoking chimney. To get the magic started with the Chestnut Cabin, we're gonna pull this top piece off. We're gonna actually end up pouring our water in this vessel right here, and then we're gonna see as the magic smoke comes out the chimney. Now we want to make sure that our house is turned on and we wait for our chimney to smoke. Wow, look at that chimney smoke. What a cool effect to add to our setup. I love it. Another great way to create a setup on a side table is use books that are probably already there. You can stack them and then create your own little display. I've got my crystal lighted tree here, which has some fun colors. And then of course, we've got our truck full of trees. It makes a really nice setup with Frosty in the front. To finish off our setup, I actually took an extra birch stump that I had left over from crafting and created a nice little camping setup with a light up fire, and our couple is cozy in their sleeping bag with their dog. We just created 2 cozy setups that are great for relaxing, but now let's talk about work. We all know a lot of us have been working from home. Why not decorate your home workspace for the holidays? Next up, I'm going to show you an easy DIY that you can make for your desk at home or at the office. Let's head over to the craft table. I've got a large slab of birch here. You can select whatever size works best for you. And I'm going to paint it with chalkboard paint so that we can write on it, erase it, and reuse it. We're going to use industrial glue and add kitchen hardware that I have left over from my kitchen renovation as the handles on our board. All right, it's time to decorate our tray and make our desk a fun place to work. I'm gonna start by adding the Eagle Ridge Ski Lodge, and then I'm gonna add a few other pieces that's gonna remind me of the fun I should be having with my family this holiday season. Working from home doesn't have to be a downer or lonely. Create your own special workspace. So I love how our tray turned out, and it does remind me why I work so hard for all those fun times with my family on the weekends. And then over here, we've got a mountain platform that we decorated with some trees. And remember, you can kind of put your trees wherever you want because they punch right into that mountain. We've also got a sauna. Reminds me that I want to relax after work. And plus our fun little tree, another great outdoor setting put together easily with our accessories from Lemax. And guys, remember, you can find all the pieces that I used here today at lemaxcollection.com. You can also purchase them at my favorite retailers, including my favorite craft store, Michael's Stores, Ace Hardware, Menards, and online suppliers like eHobby Store and Gift Spice. And don't forget to check out Lemax on social media. There's lots of great inspiring ways that you can decorate with the holiday villages and their year-round pieces. All right, that's all I've got for you today. I'm gonna get some work done. Happy holidays, friends.